would like you to try this exercise after you have done your toe massage. We have a video called toe massage on this channel. Please look for it. Okay, do that and come to this exercise and you will have a better result. Yeah, we need a prop. It can be a stretchy band, stretchy exercise rubber band, okay, or fabric, piece of fabric. I prefer fabric because it does not stretch, which means it can hold on to your toe better and help you pull better to get more range of motion in your toe. We're going to be working on our big toe today, just one big toe. Yeah. So I'm going to use my fabric. Now this is a little bit thick. If you have thinner one, that will be better actually, because then you don't have to deal with so much fabric. Okay, so much cloth. Wrap your big toe with the cloth. Yeah. So to make sure that your toe is encased or enveloped in the fabric, right? This will not work because if you let your big toe stick out, it will not work because then you can't pull the toe that well. Yeah? So wrap your toe around. Now hold down the rest of your toes, the 4 other toes, as you pull the big toe up with your cloth and stretch. And you can hold it here for a few seconds before you release. Okay. Lift your toe and then you stretch. Now, if you have any flat foot issue or too high the arch, this is an excellent exercise for you to help restore function in the sole of your foot. Yeah, we call it plantar fascia. Yeah, to restore the arch, to make it more supple in the sole of your foot. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna do 2 more times here with me, and you can do as many times as you like. Some of you may have to do more to get the stretch. Okay, now how far should you aim to pull? I would say about 60 degrees. Yeah, 60 degrees angle. That will be your goal. Okay, so 60 degrees will look like this, something like that. It will be your goal to try to get into that range of motion. Your normal big toe motion is about there, around that range. Okay. Okay, now I feel the difference already between my big toe, my right and my left. Okay, repeat this on the other big toe.